Got a little steamy for you. Ladies, are you ready? Pull your arms up to the sides. Chest high, tummy tight, feet flat on your floor. Push those arms up to the ceiling. Here we go, nice and slow. Down, lift, down, push, down, push. Give me 4 more. Ow! Squeeze it, not your hands, but your muscles. 2 more. Now pull your arms in right here. 4, 3, 2, sit up tall. 1 up, 1 in. Reach, pull it in. Again. Reach, pull. We got 2 more, y'all. Squeeze it up there. Last one, then we're gonna stretch. Good work. Pull your arms to the sides. Roll your shoulders back. Now give me a forward roll. Pull and release. Pull your elbows in. Loose grip, tight wrist. Pull them up and down. Give me 4 more, ladies. Push it. 3 more. 2. Now hold your arms right here in the center. We're gonna reach forward, pull back. Reach, pull. Reach, looking good, looking good. Give me 4 more, come on. Squeeze it. Woo! 3, 2, and release. Roll those shoulders back. Forward roll. Good work. Now we're going to hammer curl. Your palms are facing in. You're pulling all the way up, all the way down. Use your full range of motion on this. Give me 4 more. Come on. Squeeze it. 3, 2, and 1. Bring your arms up wide. Now walk those feet out just a little bit. I'm going to punch right and left. Here we go. Punch, punch, punch. 4 more. Push it. Elbows up. Chest lifted. Here's 2 and 1. And release. Pull it down. Walk your feet in. Roll back. Oh, we're feeling that. Feeling that roller? I'm feeling that. Forward roll. Pull it right here. Woo! Good work. Now you're going to pull both arms up. Chest is lifted nice and high. Now gently reach up. Just a tiny little reach. Push, 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 push. 8 more. You're going to start to feel this, Sandy. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Everybody feel it? Roll. I can't hear you. Forward roll. Good work. All right, everybody. Palms are facing the back. Right arm going to lift at eye level. Up, left, right, and left. Now, if you want to challenge both arms, lift and down. We're only going about eye level. 8 more. Pull. 7. I got a loose grip on my weights, but my wrists, however, are straight and tight. Last 4, we're done. Squeeze it up. 3, 2, roll your shoulders back. Pull it. Forward roll, yeah. Good work, ladies. Put those weights down. Now give me a big stretch. Your thumbs are out to the side. Push your hands back. Big hug. Drop your chin. And